Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time here, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one quite a bit in the recent past, did it yesterday, so that's where this green line annotation is coming from, which segues perfectly into the first update that needs to be done. And this update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have been watching the past videos, hopefully you remember me talking about 0008 as a key level of support. And for the longest time, it did a great job of holding. However, today the price did fall below it. So 0008, now the newest area of resistance where any sort of bounce to the upside, key battleground is definitely going to be needing to get back up above 0008. And on that note, it was also a pretty big victory for the bears because as you can see, for the longest time, the bulls did a great job of holding up as support, but eventually, right there, the price failed. And you can actually see, if you look closely, already acting as resistance right after the break. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that it's impossible for the price to break up above, 0008 again. But yeah, the bulls are going to have the work cut out for them, and they're going to have to bring their A game. What about levels of support? So where are some next potential areas where the price could bounce from? So for this, got to scrunch up the chart here quite a bit. And let's see. Yeah, so we're going back quite a bit into the chart's history here. Next potential area of support. What is that? Right there at 0004. So that'll be the next overall area. So 0008, key level of resistance going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week. And then next level of support down there at 0004. So we'll see what happens with it. But, bears are now definitely in full control. And the easiest way for the bulls to kind of change that is prices got to get back up above 0008 and then get back up above that purple line too. So still a couple days left this week. We'll see what the bulls do with it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.